Is your Excel acting up? Let's get it back to factory settings in under 90 seconds. First, completely close Microsoft Excel. We need to modify its settings outside of the application. Next, open the Run Dialog Box, click the Windows Start menu, type Run into the search bar, and press Enter. In the Run Dialog Box, type %appdata% and click OK. This opens your roaming folder. Double-click the Microsoft folder. Inside the Microsoft folder, find the Excel folder and double-click to open it. Look for a folder called XLStart. Double-click to open it. If there are any files in this folder, delete them. If the folder is empty, skip this step. Now, go back to the search menu, type Registry and press Enter. Select Yes to allow the app to make changes. Be careful. Incorrect changes can cause system instability. In the Registry editor, expand hey_current_user. Expand Software, then Microsoft, then Office. Look for a folder with a number, like 160. Select the Excel folder. Right-click on the Excel folder and select Delete. Confirm the deletion by clicking Yes. Close the Registry editor and restart your computer. After restarting, open Excel. It should now be reset to its default settings. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.